Hello, so in today's video I'll be covering functions and parameters. So what is a function? A function is basically a block of code that can store sections of code. It only runs when it's called, and in it you can pass data to it, which is called a parameter. Like, the main purpose of this is reusability and efficiency. So if we think about int main, that's a function of type int. So you can have functions of type bool, etc, etc. So let's make a function. So first of all, functions in C++ have to be put above main, and we're going to make a void type function. Void type, it means null, nothing. So if we make my first function here, like this, there we go. So now we have our first function, and then we just type in count hello world. There we go, like this. And then if we try to run it, nothing will happen. And then if we actually try to call, so what we're doing now here is we're calling the function. So if we try to call it here, there you go, it works. Just to show what happens if we put it down here, we'll change it to my second function, and we'll put an exclamation mark, and if we try to call my second function below main, there you go, it's an error. So yeah, this would work fine in a different programming language, but not in C++. So that's something to keep in mind. Now that we've done this, we'll make parameters. So let's make another function of type void. So, and call it my second function. But what we'll have different here is we'll put a string, or let's just do an integer, my lucky number. And then here we'll just do count my lucky number is, and then my lucky number, and then so let's just call the second function like this, and what we get here is an error, and that is because it wants us to give it a number. So if we just put 5 here, there you go, my lucky number is 5. Of course we could change that to something more complicated, like int my num, and then we could do count enter my lucky number, and then like this, and then sin my number. And then of course we would pass my number instead of 5. Oh, there we go. So this would be something like this. There you go. But yeah, so that's basically all there is to functions and parameters. Of course, there's more to it, which I'll cover in the next video, but this is enough for this one.